Changing out these cabin pressure vents on these trucks is super easy. All you need is a screwdriver, and you don't have to remove your rear seats or any of that stuff that these other videos are telling you to do. All you need is just take your screwdriver, stick it in here, and start prying. And this thing will pry out. Just like that. And that's okay. There's little clips on here that broke, and that is no big deal. Now to put this back in, you just need to make sure that these are facing down so that the rainwater hits it and doesn't hurt it. And then you slide it up from the bottom. Got the bottom kind of in. There's the bottoms in. Now all I have to do is press that top in all the way until it clicks. Are you filming? All right. And I can feel that thing clip in real nice.
Can I try to make sure?
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
I hope this video helped you. If it did, would you mind taking about 4 seconds of your valuable time to click that subscribe button for me? And hey, while you're at it, check out my other channel where I'm known as Farm Dad.
Ain't that hard?
Huh? Yeah, that's it.
Did you hear my foot?
I did.